Complaints on Amazon need to be both accurate and written properly. Accuracy means not accusing a third-party seller of selling counterfeit products when they're selling genuine products. If you've handled the first sale doctrine issue well, you don't need to make any false complaints against any Amazon seller. In fact, by doing so, you're opening up your brand to civil liability and bad press. Why do I say they have to be well written? There are certain verbiage that Amazon staff in India look for when you're making the complaint. And if you say too much or you say too little, your complaint might be ignored. I'll give you an example. Many brand managers will point out to Amazon that the product is counterfeit and they don't have an authorization agreement. Amazon staff, if they see the authorization agreement language or distribution agreement language, they may ignore your complaint entirely, even though their counterfeit issue is valid. You may also say that your warranty is not provided to unauthorized sellers. And while that may be true, your warranty may be written in a way where it takes your product outside the first sale doctrine. The fact that Amazon staff sees the word authorization or distribution, they just may ignore your complaint entirely. So when it comes to brand protection on Amazon, when it is required, make sure your complaints are valid and also well written.
If you'd like to learn more about how your brand can protect its sales on Amazon.com, that is our focus. Email me, call me, we'll arrange a meeting.